Ridge vents and powered fans both have their quirks when it comes to attic ventilation, and knowing the common installation challenges can save you a ton of headaches down the line. So, with ridge vents, first off, you gotta make sure the ridge is straight and continuous because any gaps or bends mess with airflow big time. When cutting the roof ridge for the vent, if you cut too wide or unevenly, it can lead to leaks or weak spots where water sneaks in. Also, sometimes people forget to install proper baffles or blockers inside the attic, which stops air from flowing right through the vent. Powered fans, on the other hand, need to be wired correctly to avoid electrical issues or short circuits. So if you're not comfortable with wiring, getting a pro is clutch. Another thing with powered fans is making sure they're properly sized. If the fan is too small, it won't ventilate well, and if it's too big, it can pull conditioned air out and spike your energy bills. Both types need regular maintenance. Ridge vents can get clogged with debris or insects, and powered fans might have motor or switch failures over time. And don't forget, powered fans sometimes make noise, so placement matters if you want to avoid hearing it from inside your house. One of the biggest mistakes with ridge vents is installing them without a proper intake vent like soffit vents, which totally kills the airflow system. Fix this by balancing intake and exhaust vents for good air movement. Another issue is cutting the ridge vent slot too large or uneven, which can cause leaks, double-check measurements, and use quality flashing to keep water out. For powered fans, a common problem is poor electrical connections that lead to fan failure. Always use proper wiring connectors and consider hiring an electrician. Also, some folks install powered fans without calculating attic size and airflow needs, so the fan either underperforms or wastes power. Measure your attic and pick a fan that matches its volume. BigHomeProjects.com makes finding reliable local contractors way easier by connecting homeowners with pros who actually know their stuff. If you're a contractor looking for gigs, it's a solid place to grow your client base without all the hassle of chasing leads on your own.